गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। मैं राजेंद्र सिंह आपके लिए आज जो टॉपिक लेके आया हूँ उसका नाम है ट्रिग्नोमेट्री। ओके, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ एसएससी एग्जाम्स। ओके, फॉर एसएससी एंड सीडीएस एग्जाम्स। सो लेट अस start today trigonometry. Okay. It is the branch of mathematics. It is the branch of mathematics deals with angles and sides of a triangle. Okay. तो आपको ये पता लगा कि ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का मतलब क्या होता है कि it is a branch of mathematics that deals with angles and sides of a triangle. Okay. Now, the first thing is that you must know what is trigonometry ratios. In short, we say T ratios. What is that? It is the ratio between two sides of a right angle triangle. It is the ratio between two sides of a right angle triangle. Okay, student. अब you know that जो right angle triangle होता है, we have three sides in a right angle triangle. Okay. Let it be. This is a triangle given A, B, C. Okay. Now, let us see that angle C is given theta. Right. Now, there are three sides in a right angle triangle. This AB is known as perpendicular. And this AC is known as hypotenuse. And the side adjacent to the given angle is known as base. Okay, student. Now you can see how many ratios we can form out of these three sides. We can form 6 ratios. What is that? That is, I can form 6 ratios. And what is that? Oh, let me. Okay. We can form the ratio between perpendicular and hypotenuse. Let us denote the perpendicular by the letter P and hypotenuse by the letter H. Okay. I can form the ratio between base and hypotenuse. I can form the ratio between perpendicular and base. Okay. I can form the ratio between hypotenuse and perpendicular, hypotenuse and between hypotenuse and base, and between base and perpendicular. Okay. The ratio between this perpendicular and hypotenuse is known as sine theta. Okay. And the ratio between base and hypotenuse is known as cos theta. The ratio between perpendicular and base is known as tan theta. Similarly, here the ratio between hypotenuse and perpendicular is given a name, and that is cosecant theta. And in short, we write it cosec theta. In short, we write it cosec theta. Similarly, the ratio between hypotenuse and base is known as secant theta. And that is your sec theta. And the ratio between base and perpendicular is known as cot theta, and that is your okay, let me write its complete name. The complete name is cotangent theta. Cotangent theta, and in short we write it cot theta. Similarly, the complete name of tan theta is tangent theta. Okay. Okay, and the complete name of cos theta is cosine theta. And the complete name of sine theta is, we write it as sine NE, sine theta. Okay. So these are the 6 ratios. Okay. We can't create more than 6 ratios. You can check that. This sine theta and cosecant theta. Sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse, and cosecant theta is hypotenuse, ratio between hypotenuse and perpendicular, and they are reciprocal to each other. Okay, you can check that sine theta into cosecant theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse into hypotenuse by perpendicular, that is 1. Okay, so that is why we can say sine theta and cosecant theta are reciprocal to each other. Okay. Similarly, so this is you can remember as a formula. Okay. Similarly, we can say cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1, and similarly tan theta into cot theta is always 1. So we have these 3 formulas. Okay. So this is your formula number 1, this is your formula number 2, and this is your formula number 3. You got some idea, student? Okay. Any doubt? Any problem?